Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know all the things set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagger and the one I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with the Haitian people landing in Jamaica again because for some reason the people them is disrespecting King Mix Up for saying basically, I don't know why black people in Jamaica feel like they're better than Haitian people when they're in the same boat. And a lot of people took that as disrespect. I don't know why, because we're all in the same boat. Nobody don't like Haitian people. Nobody don't like Jamaicans. Nobody don't like black Americans. Basically, what I'm saying, nobody not like black people. So when I see black people saying, yo, send them back home, and I'm like, for what? You know what I mean? The reason why Jamaican people, black people, I should say, feel better than Haitians and better than black Americans because of this Jamaican scam model. Let's be honest, people. The out of many, one are the one. Out of one, many is a scam stolen from Uncle Sam. You see me I say? To make black people feel like equal to white people because was being treated unfairly in Jamaica, a land that's the majority of black people. You know what I mean? And it's only black people defend white people. You see me I say, don't even defend to themselves. You know what I mean? And here's an example. If we do a simple research on our system and not chat foolishness, American motto translates from Latin as from many, one, and echoes Jamaican national motto, out of many, one people. This is more than a mere coincidence because the motto worked in America to keep all of the immigrants feeling like them equal and all of these things. You see what I say? So understand play with Haitian people like that. If it wasn't for Jamaica, Haitians wouldn't be able to free themselves from French slavery and want to go to America to free the slaves them over there. The white British colonists saw what the blacks did in Haiti. That's why them clamped down upon Rasta. When they can put the timeline in at the comment section, let's proceed to the next. And now a lot of people is DMing me asking where is Leota Bradshaw getting all of these money to pay for them high profile liar. You see what I say? And they're wondering if a Paulwell pay for it. Yes, even though she's accused of kidnapping and orchestrating this heinous crime against humanity, taking the life of a mother, Tashina, and her 10-month-old daughter. You see me, I said, you know, she have a youth for Paulwell as well, so Paulwell in a sticky situation, you know, people. You know what I mean? A lot of people say that he cooperated with the police, but it's not cooperating. You know what I mean? But I don't know where she's getting these money from. It's a mercy. You know, the lawyer say I be a misinformation I put out there and all of these stuff. But me just giving an update what I go on for that to go on. You see, I say Paulwell is shattered. You know, boy. Me only see them thing in another movie, you know, people. Yo. Anyway, let's proceed to the next topic because I know that Baga starting at a review. You know, I was sent several videos of, I guess, a woman sent, you know, her man who cheated on her. Boy, as you can see, she explained each clip is like 4 clips. You see what I said? So let's take a look.
I don't care. I don't care. I'm throwing it out. I don't care. I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out. And you take my keys up to the job.
What do you want, Scott?
Give me my keys.
So why you doing this for, yo? Why you doing this shit in the morning for? Why you putting me out in the hurry in the morning for? You know I don't got nowhere to go. You always want to do this to me, yo. Always want to do this to me, yo. You know my situation. You always dealing with me like this, yo.
I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out.
This is no good. How you dealing with me like this, yo? And you know my situation.
I'm throwing it out. You better take it to Carla house. It's coming out my house now.
You know my situation. You
I'm
dealing with
throwing
me
it
like this, yo.
out. Zip up. Get out my gate.
I'm
This is
not
why
ready to go, yo.
Damien. This is why Damien and everybody hates you. You's a weak motherfucker. You go fuck Carla, go put your clothes there.
I even care what you
Go put your clothes, get out. Get out. Your clothes is coming out. They're out. Get out of my house. Get the fuck out of here, you poor fuck. Get the fuck out of here, you poor fuck.
I'm doing this shit. I'm the one. I'm the one. I'm the one that's going through this. Nobody else. Nobody else. Nobody else is going through this for me. Why am I going through this?
Go speak to the girl that you was texting in your inbox
I
on
wasn't texting
Instagram.
nobody. You got my. I don't change my password to my phone. You know this, yo.
Come downstairs and let you come upstairs and she said I'm about to clean out. Why your emoji face like that?
No vex about nothing. Anything what she said. Blood clot dick. When I talk about bumbo clot there. Don't tell me nothing, man. Bumbo clot. Anything. You see, man, please my woman, I gotta please my woman. Bumbo clot. My girl, I gotta always love me. That a mother. That a mother. She gotta miss everything what me do for her. Pussy world. I suck your mother. I know girl, I gotta get them treatment there. Fuck you talking about? There's nothing you can bumbo clot do for style me. There's nothing you can say for style me. There's nothing you can do for style me. Bumbo clot there. Some boy out there can't own them bumbo clot thing. Own it. Bumbo clot, I own it. I mean it what my name. Bumbo clot, I feel some type of way come lick me in my face then. I feel some type of way. Honestly. 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 Okay. So I don't know, I'm not business about that. I'm not business about that. So you can't say anything you want to say. Words is win. Words is win. I'm not business about nothing.
Calling cops.
Five and a half years you want to waste like that? 5.5 years you want to waste like that? 5.5 years, right? That's what you say, right? 5.5 years, right? No, I don't got nothing. No, I got nowhere to go. I haven't got nothing to throw nothing out, right? 5.5 years, right? All right.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, Queenie, why Queenie speaks about women empowerment, but yes, she a clamp down upon the equal rights queen who also, has been abused by men like Queenie. Because Foota used to thump up Ishawna and kick her up and all these things, cheap and all of these things, disrespect her. You know what I mean? Same way or the way is doing Queenie. You know what I mean? But Ishawna Foota split like 100 years ago, so I don't know why she would draw for her. You feel me? So let's take a listen to what she has to say, because she said some other stuff that I didn't upload on the other video as well. I included in here. So let's like and share on our social media platforms right now: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get straight into it.
Remember, you run there, blood clot America. So may I ask you, any promoter in England send for you, Mr. Bumble Hole, twin pussy cold footer hype, Miss Liza, Miss Jane, Mama Langtongue, what yet blood clot woman. Any promoter send for you in England, remember you're threatened by the blood clot queen, because you're threatened for you to put up my picture in my land. But me you have blood clot competition for England. Me I gonna show you who have blood clot power. Come on, England. Come on, blood clot England footer. Say fair. Come on, England. You're bad and you want to compete with me. You want to compete with blood clam about if me did I keep. Me never did keep no secret. It wasn't important to me. As a trouble, me work and make 2 blood clot investigation and the rest I think them when them tell me. I didn't choose to talk about it. Me no want to go in a blood clot that me just want to touch a can some blood clot we make. How you come talk about you pitting them where big pussy blood clot, stinking blood clot, Ishawna. Ishawna and her pitting for the blood clot section, yo. Don't make a diss up your dirty blood clot family. How for grandpit and pitney attack for? Big Donald catches blood clot. Ishawna wear pussy big like blood clot my one and stink like my one. Yeah, and our son. Yeah, Ishawna and our dirty, yeah, your dirty blood clot son. To take our rope and dry you from a blood clot maker to the sea and carry over Bellevue. We attack to stinking blood clot footer hype. Want to your thinking blood clot pitney them. You pitney them stink like them a blood clot, but enough for pitney name and grand pitney name you call. You pitney them stink like blood clot, river and any blood clot body touch me pitney them, me touch back your dirty blood clot pitney them. How for pitney you come talk about? What happened to the little boy with Ishawna have? Did you malice your own a blood clot son footer hype? Why your problem? Your malice your own a blood clot son, you come talk about my pity them accept me for who me is. Why them not? Why your pity with Ishawna have where you malice you not take him, them not take your care of a blood clot where you come talk about. Me have secret fear. Me did have secret. Your son have blood clot secret fear. And I found a malice on a blood clot when I pity them. Move your dirty blood clot and go sort out your dirty blood clot life. And apart from a blood clot face, you stink like under me. You should even call me name in your mouth, footer hype, your man. Are you let me know my blood clot face, footer? May I ask you? Go talk about your son where you molest. And that's for blood clot talk about. But Queenie, me never know you have secret for me. Me not have no secret for you, brother. Me no walk with people dirt. You fucking trouble me. I'ma trouble your back.
A full video on Boom Bye Bye TV on YouTube. Click link in the bio. Bless.
Nah, bury me until the time comes for me. Speech blood clotless. I am somebody. But me just put it as a 3 feet dog. So me I reason with it now. So you're a 3 foot dog coming now and then cut on the dog, hold them corner. You see dog so foot take time I get. But remember 3 foot the dog have enough. Car one cut off. See it? Piece of my face cut off. So me and the dog. So to me is a dog. And one of my foot cut off. Not even time I'm gonna get a fucking foot for cut blood clot heel. I'm gonna sit down and invite me. Over on the yard. One of done cut off my blood clot foot already. I gotta tell me someone must come sing. That makes sense? And I sell out my blood clot. So that big blood clot coverage bump all there. One coverage bump, you know them saying a little bit can give somebody something, them take it back. One coverage bump in your pussy and upon your fire, the coverage bump, then your blood clot. What the fuck you mean by? What kind of question that you ask me? Are you talking about your cheek? None of blood clot, you know, no ask me nothing about my life. But I want to take him back front side, upstairs, downstairs, and I need the blood clot. So I'm not own no nothing. And I'm not full of space, and not too enough, and I got clean out in my dirty backyard around this where the whole part jug there for no one blood clot something for do. The backyard around this where we want clean out, and that's enough for blood clot. No question, big man, no blood clot me. Me no know what the next step is. And no question blood clot. Me go lick out do a battle. I'm not too interested in my life. I'm not go man. I'm still not get the message. Stop. Ask me about my fucking husband. We are separated. Stop. Call the man blood clot name to me. Me not take back you do. Me not take you back find our blood clot. Yes. Send him come let me take him back now. And then you live fucking sad ever after. Cause you got blood clot sad. Cause you happy now. So me I go give you sadness. What happened to the dancehall story? So that me need to start black back. But through my love cause don't question Queenie. This not. Press. Thank you. Fucking rude. Go look a man from my tournament and go man and then ask if you're not going to take back on the husband when him do whatever. You can't ask big man that's not your place. None of blood clot you no can't tell me if you do I know what me I go do until it's fucking done. Another press conference. Don't question big man. Shut the fuck up. How fucking rude. You eat Sunday dinner when you don't eat your dinner, you remember me and do it? No. Lord the blood clot man make the man pastor and take him freedom. Your man saying can't manage me. I a bad blood clot girl. Me too bad for him. Make me stay with myself cause no pussy test. Me not be no walkover from a little bit of some stay. Anybody feel like them can't take me for walkover, so be it. So if I think I can't think so through my kind of right now if I come around Clark Road and so on and so no want a cup of water we feeding on I make on I think so I'm not this sort of no blood clot. There's a different my kind. Me nice. Me loving and caring, but my bad no blood clot. Me not take fuckery. You hear that? Me not take fuckery. For you violate me, my heart leap. Problems. You just try to know that. One man thing you to mind. What kind of question that? Them rude for sure. So don't question me. Don't question me. Me no anything me want to talk, me talk. Me a big man, me a married woman. It's out of that getting behind a joke. I'm not so obsessed with my life. I'm obsessed with my life, you know. Too me nice. You do take fucker. You do take fucker. Nikki, you know if I when you want me black you. Girl, me just explain to you. I don't take fuckery. So when you think me take fuckery, what you think? You know my life? You don't know my girl. Me not take blood clot fuckery. If you carry when you come out of the blood clot kitchen, you hear that? Fire under your dirty blood clot if you bring fuckery to me. You hear that? So what? So me love somebody mean to say, me take fuckery. Me is just a genuine blood clot loyal person. Me not take fuck girl. So if you can't eat, you have to run out of the blood clot kitchen. You not understand that? Are you still not understand? Me the warrior girl, me not take fuckery. Girl in the ear, me tell you, my mother tell me when she come to England. You deaf? I'm a mother ass clot. Give me that title. So from a little bit, me not take blood clot fuckery. When me have the lights, rebuke and send on back to the pit of blood clot hell. You hear that? You know, some feel some black you. I just feel say you irritate me. Nicky John 47. He's a man or a woman. You have cocky and pussy in a one. Nicky John. You have a John? That your name John. What the fuck? I think you irritate me. Don't make me black you, girl. All if you have 10 blood clot fake page. Write one more now. Write one more. Write one more now. Right. Write something else, man. May I give a chance? You understand yourself. Shut the fuck up and listen to big woman. When you say big, strong black woman attack, no matter how no lick me, I just get up back and say, move on a dirty blood clot. And I say my daughter dead. How my big and blood clot mighty and strong after. Now you that? Never married. Born married. Leave my husband alone. Make him take him blood clot life and live him life what him want to do. Him type himself earlier, I realized him type himself. Leave him. Every day I get up and have heart attack over. Loud the youth. And then I drop me make loud the blood clot, man. Me love him. God love him. And God send him over there. Whoever minister in the pan. Come back. If the way to come back, it's come back. Leave the man alone, make the man prosper. After the man blood clot fender, I'm tired of no God know. More come over here, sir. I talk, I don't even remember blood clot him. Every minute, do we now want you? Me no want blood clot do it. Why not look upon it that way there? Nikki have for quiet. She can't type. Because she know me go block her under her blood clot. Shut the fuck up like a piece of tape clot. You know if you wipe your ass? You know if you push the rock by your finger and wall up in your pussy? Some man don't even know if you wash a dirty blood clot pussy good. R.I.P. Nikki, she dead yet?
Yeah, people, you get the message. Don't forget to go upon the Crowder Wars channel and check out Michi addressing her beef with the Yankee people them and things. You know, say battle fling and all of this stuff. And a boom bye bye TV channel to hear what Queenie was saying more about Ishawna and Foota. So like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.